Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, NOKIA 9 PureView, and now I can show you how to set caller ID announcement on this device. Firstly, you need to open the phone application, then click on the three dots button and click Settings. Here, scroll down and find caller ID announcement and click Announce caller ID, and now choose Always, or if you don't want to announce for everyone who calls you, click on when you're in the headset, and in this way, when you will wear the headsets, your headphones, or I don't know, earbuds, you will hear in the Bluetooth device who calls you. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.